Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's talk about physical development. Physical development, what is it? Physical development is the term used to describe how a person's body develops and grows over time, including both physical growth and improved biological functions. It has number of important components. Growth is the rise in the body's bulk and size, usually expressed in terms of height and weight. The fastest growth occurs in infancy and adolescence. Development of motor skills. This is honing one's movement ability. Two categories exist. Gross motor skills. This include more complex actions like crawling, walking, running and jumping that include the arms, legs and entire body. Fine motor skills include the ability to perform the smaller, more exact actions, especially with the hands and fingers, such as writing, buttoning garments and picking up objects. The process by which the body reaches full development and functionally is referred to as the physical maturation. It involves puberty, a time when major hormone shifts belong about the physical. The development of strength, endurance, flexibility and general health are all included in the category of physical fitness. For the best possible physical development, a healthy diet and regular physical activity are essential. Numerous elements including as heredity, diet, exercise and general health and well-being have an impact on physical growth. It is an essential to one's general health and well-being during the course of their lifetime. How can I enhance my physical growth? Regular exercise, a balanced diet, enough sleep, and general healthy lifestyle choices all contribute to better physical development. Here are few critical tactics. Take part in frequent exercise. Keep your diet balanced. Get enough sleep. Develop healthier lifestyle practices. Keep an eye on and adjust. Be patient and consistent. First is take part in frequent exercise. Aerobic exercise. Exercises that increase the cardiovascular health and endurances include the cycling, running, swimming and walking. Strength training. Activities that increase the muscles and strength including the weightlifting, resistance band exercises and body weight exercises like squats and push-ups. Flexibility and balance. To enhance the flexibility and balance, try some yoga, pilates, or stretching. Next is keep your diet balanced. Foods high in nutrition. Pay particular attention to fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean meats and healthy fat. Hydration. Throughout the day, sip a lot of water. Moderation. Restrict your consumptions of sweets, processed foods and bad fats. Next is get enough sleep. Sleep. To help your body heal and develop, try to get better 7 and 9 hours of good sleep every night. Rest days. To avoid overtraining and injury, include rest day in your workout regimen. Next is develop healthier lifestyle practices. Steer cleaning of smoking and excessive alcohol consumptions, as these can harm one's general health and physical growth. Handle stress. To lower stress levels, engage in relaxation exercise like deep breathing, meditation and mindfulness. Next is keep an eye and adjust. Monitor development. Maintain a notebook where you record your food, exercise and any physical activities you observe in yourself. Establish objectives. To keep yourself motivated, set reasonable short and long-term exercise goals. Consult a professional for individualized guidance and programs. Speak with healthcare professionalism, nutritionist or fitness coaches. Next is be patient and consistent. Consistency. Observing gains in physical growth requires consistent work and dedication. Patience. It takes time to see physical changes, so be patient to your efforts. You can grow physically, improve yourself, general health and reach your fitness objectives by implementing these techniques into your everyday practice. Thanks for watching.